The hell was that?
What?
You didn't hear that? I just heard it again.
Could be a deer snorting.
I could see a deer probably. I'm out here.
Yeah, you should be able to. It's not.
That's all good. Just turn it on, girl.
He's not in her, so I guess I'm going this way.
Is it all the way up?